Hey guys, Lockie here from 782 Motors on the Gold Coast, bringing you another one of our heroes for this month's stock drop. This is a 1972 Holden HQ Monaro. This is an incredible show quality build. It's an award-winning car. You can see the detail on the top of it, underneath is just as nice. Under the bonnet, it's running a 454 LSX with twin precision 6766 turbochargers bolted to the side of it. It's running E85, it's got a turbo 400 auto in it with press button selection and paddle shifts. In the back, it's got a badass 9-inch and a big fuel system. This thing on a hub dyno did just over 1100 horsepower at 14 PSI. The build's incredible, inside's full custom leather trim. There's way too much to list. Head over to our website, www.782motors.com.au for all the details on this badass car.